Crafty Ones. Today I have a tutorial on stamping on your bags that your kits come in, your Cocoa Daisy kits. So I'm using the Cocoa Daisy Memory Keeping Pocket stamp that came in the kit for the pocket kit. So I'm just going to unwrap it. So we have some numbers, days of the week, this, love notes. I don't really have a plan so far. I'm probably just going to put some numbers and this stamp. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And then I pulled out some inks that I thought went really well. So I'm using Ranger Archival inks. For this, you would want to use Archival inks. That way it's permanent. So if your bag were to get wet or anything like that, you are good to go. So this one is acid-free, permanent, and waterproof. So I have Paradise Teal, Vibrant Fuchsia, Library Green, Cobalt, and Shadow Gray. And then I have my acrylic block stamp. So I'm going to just add a stamp. Let's start with, it says enjoy every day already. So I think I'm going to just use the days of the week actually. And what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put it on a longer ink acrylic block. So I have Monday, Tuesday. I'm not really lining them up or anything like that. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you can kind of see how I have lined them up. So they're kind of like mishmash, which is what I want, if we can use that word, mishmash. All right, so I'm going to start with the fuchsia, and I'm going to just stamp a little bit on the top, and I'm going to create like an ombre type of thing. So then I'm going to use the teal, a little bit more of the teal, and then go in with some of the cobalt. So we have that nice little ombre look, and I'm just going to stamp it right there. And you just want to make sure you press all the way through each word, so the middle especially. And then we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and an ombre. So I'm going to go ahead and just stamp all the way through, and we'll come back once I'm finished. This is what I stamped on my bag. Again, this wasn't really planned, but it's fun for the month. It's nice to just use your stamps, especially if you struggle with using your stamps every month. This is a great way to just test them all out with different colors, and then if you love it, perfect. If you don't, remember, you always get another bag next month. So that's the fun part. And then you can even go in, if you have like archival markers or something, you can go in and color certain parts of it. So super fun and easy project to just get your stamps out and start using your inks and your stamps for Cocoa Daisy. Thanks for watching. Till next time, Crafty Ones. Bye!